Hi friends, welcome again. Let's do end of course B. This is the final project. Let's go to Google Chrome, type go.org and press enter. I'll sign in, type my name and my password. Then I'll press view course, and then today we're doing end of course B. And click there. You can choose whatever you want, which one you want, but I will choose this one. Game Lab Animals. It says, it's time for your final project. You can make whatever you want. This is a question. Okay. I like how it made it by itself. Actually, what I'm doing. Okay. There. There's a huge puppy. That's cool. You can explore this video, but I will do just that. So we finished, and of course B. I hope you like all the lessons, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.